We've continued our journey into physics this week. We finally got to dive into the math and science side of things. We expanded our knowledge in the technological side as well. This was a little scary for me as I am horrible with technology. This week we continued advancing our technological knowledge required for this course by setting up our e-ports and poking around the blogs and Google Docs as well. We practiced with the cameras to do our podcasting and learned how to post it to YouTube. We also continued plunging into the physics side of things. We learned how to graph data from motion detectors. We then calculated the velocity to graph them as position versus time graphs and transfer them into velocity versus time graphs. We were given graphs and we predicted the moves and then tested them with motion detectors. Our quizzes this week expanded on the subject as well. They required us to use the imaginative side of our minds to convert these graphs without math or motion detector to test the graphs against. This week we learned a lot about technology. However, I'm still feeling really lost with it all, as I'm not very technically inclined. I need to continue to work more with all of it. I also need to figure out how to apply my research for the first project to advance the performance of our car. Although we have not got our cars yet, I need to start looking into how I can get our car to perform well on the testing day, and also how all of our work in class applies to our cars. I am still struggling with some of the requirements, however I'm starting to catch on over time with all of the computer stuff. I'm eager to see how our first project goes and see how our group works together to improve our car's performance. I am also interested to learn how physics that we have been learning in class applies to our project.